Incident response process. The incident response process in cybersecurity is a critical aspect of managing and mitigating the impact of security breaches. As cyber threats become increasingly sophisticated, organizations need to adopt robust incident response strategies to protect their assets and ensure business continuity. The integration of artificial intelligence into the incident response process offers significant enhancements in detecting, analyzing, and responding to cybersecurity incidents more efficiently and effectively. Incident response is a structured approach to addressing and managing the aftermath of a security breach or cyber attack. The primary objective is to handle the situation in a way that limits damage and reduces recovery time and costs. The incident response process typically involves several key steps: preparation, identification, containment, eradication, recovery, and lessons learned. Each phase plays a crucial role in ensuring a comprehensive response to security incidents. Preparation involves establishing and maintaining an incident response plan, which includes policies, procedures, and communication strategies. Organizations must also ensure that their employees are trained to recognize and report potential security incidents. This phase is critical for laying the groundwork for a swift and effective response when an incident occurs. AI can enhance the preparation phase by automating threat intelligence gathering and analysis, providing organizations with real-time insights into emerging threats and vulnerabilities. The identification phase involves detecting and confirming the occurrence of a security incident. Traditional methods of incident detection often rely on signature-based detection systems, which can be limited in their ability to identify new or unknown threats. AI-powered solutions, such as machine learning algorithms, can significantly improve the accuracy and speed of incident detection by analyzing large volumes of data and identifying patterns indicative of a security breach. For example, AI can detect anomalies in network traffic or user behavior that may signal a potential security incident. Once an incident has been identified, the containment phase aims to limit the spread and impact of the breach. This involves isolating affected systems and preventing further damage. AI can assist in this phase by automating the isolation of compromised systems and applying predefined containment strategies. For instance, AI-driven network segmentation can dynamically adjust network configurations to contain the spread of malware or other malicious activities. Eradication involves removing the root cause of the security incident and ensuring that affected systems are free from malware or other malicious artifacts. This phase may require the deployment of advanced threat detection and removal tools. AI can enhance eradication efforts by providing automated malware analysis and remediation capabilities. AI-powered tools can identify and neutralize sophisticated threats that may evade traditional security measures. The recovery phase focuses on restoring affected systems and services to normal operations. This includes verifying the integrity of restored systems and ensuring that no residual threats remain. AI can support the recovery phase by automating system restoration processes and conducting thorough post-recovery assessments. AI-driven analytics can also help organizations identify potential weaknesses and improve their defenses against future incidents. Finally, the lessons learned phase involves analyzing the incident response process to identify areas for improvement. This phase is crucial for refining incident response plans and enhancing organizational resilience. AI can facilitate this phase by providing detailed incident reports and actionable insights. Machine learning algorithms can analyze past incidents to identify trends and predict future threats, enabling organizations to proactively address potential vulnerabilities. The integration of AI into the incident response process offers numerous benefits, including improved detection and response times, enhanced accuracy, and reduced manual effort. However, it is essential to recognize that AI is not a panacea. The effectiveness of AI-driven incident response depends on the quality of the data used to train machine learning models and the ability to continuously update and refine these models. Additionally, human expertise remains critical in overseeing AI-driven processes and making strategic decisions. For example, the 2017 WannaCry ransomware attack highlighted the importance of a robust incident response process. The attack affected over 200,000 computers across 150 countries, causing widespread disruption and financial losses. Organizations with effective incident response plans were able to quickly identify and contain the ransomware, minimizing the impact. AI-powered tools played a significant role in detecting the ransomware spread and automating response actions, demonstrating the potential of AI in enhancing incident response capabilities. Statistics also underscore the growing importance of AI in incident response. According to a report by IBM, organizations that leverage AI in their incident response efforts experience a 70% reduction in the time it takes to identify and contain a breach compared to those that do not use AI. Additionally, AI-driven incident response can reduce the average cost of a data breach by 15%, highlighting the financial benefits of adopting AI technologies. In conclusion, the incident response process is a vital component of cybersecurity strategies aimed at managing and mitigating the impact of security breaches. The integration of AI into this process offers significant enhancements, from improved detection and containment to faster recovery and actionable insights. While AI provides numerous benefits, it is essential to ensure that AI-driven tools are continuously updated and supplemented with human expertise. By leveraging AI, organizations can strengthen their incident response capabilities, reduce the impact of security incidents, and enhance their overall cybersecurity posture.